and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, join the enthusiasm, just subscribe. As you guys already know that it's Navratri, like Navratri is coming and it's like the atmosphere is really lit. It's Dandiya time, it's Garba time, and yes, so here I am ready for all of it. In today's video, I am just going to create this look right over here. So if you want to see how to get this really nice orangey peachy kind of look, then please keep on watching. Starting off with moisturizing my face, I am using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer all over my face. And next, to prime my face, I am using the M.A.C Fix Plus Prep Plus Prime. And I poke my eye with a sponge. Now, M.A.C Fix Plus is my obsession. It gives you that perfect finish with long-lasting power. And next, using the M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC40. It is my perfect match and I love this foundation. It gives you a flawless base to work on and has a beautiful finish. It's damn blendable. And now let's apply a little foundation on the neck to even out everything and to get a flawless neck. Wait, like anyone here for a flawless neck? Well, I am. Next, gonna use one of my favorite drugstore concealer, that is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I just love the way it covers my dark circles. It's my go-to and one of the best drugstore concealers I've ever used. Now, also, I am going to apply this around the mouth area because, you know, hyperpigmentation. It's cream contour day, everybody. Using the Nykaa SKINgenius foundation stick in shade, I think it's Toffee Chisel, but yeah, do not forget to check the description for precise information about the products, shades and all. Now let's blend everything to perfection and become the chiseled queen. And you guys, it's festive season, so I am super excited, like super excited, and I can feel the lights, the beauty and the joy and the glow in the environment right from now. You know, winter is on its way and I am super excited for that too, because you know it's almost my favorite season. So yeah, let's highlight in between the brows and also a little bit on the bridge of my nose, and blending all of this in. And now let's bake for that long lasting perfection using Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. And next, I'm just going to clean my eyes for the eyeshadow, and I'm applying the same Wet n Wild concealer right now. I am going to use this Revolution Pro Regeneration palette. I have a whole review on this, you can check it out. Now taking the shade Discovery and placing it all over as a transition kind of shade. No, it's not a transition shade, but it is a nice orange shade. And next I'm going to take the shade Voyage and place it into my crease. Now Voyage is not that visible, but still it's doing its thing and it's building up the crease. Now taking the Makeup Revolution Life on Dance Floor Guest List palette and that dark brown shade, and again applying it into my crease. This time I am a little bit more precise. And now let's cut the crease, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Refined in the shade Neutralizer. If you have to cut a really perfect crease, then I would really suggest this concealer because this is really perfect and the finish is really perfect. And next I'm just going to take that light and bright orange shade from there that had some shimmer particles, but right now you cannot see it and it was not that visible too. And I am gonna apply it on the lid except the center because a shimmer is gonna go there. And next I'm gonna take the shade Element from the Regeneration Pro palette and I'm just putting it on the center of my lid with the help of my fingers. And now let's dust off the bake. And taking the brown shade again, and I am placing that on my lower lash line. I don't know why I can't stick to one palette for a look. I keep on switching palettes and yeah. Taking the M.A.C pen eyeliner for creating a wing. I want to use a brown eyeliner for this look, but I don't remember why I ended up with this. Like, this is the bad part of doing voiceover. You just forget some of the things. Now let's do the kajal just towards the outer corner because one, it will make your eyes look super small, and two, it will kind of not go with the eyeshadow I used. Curl the lashes and apply mascara, and I will also be putting on some false eyelashes. And now you can see that I did the other eye and plus my eyebrows. To bronze, I'm going to use the bronzer from the Sugar Contour de Force palette. And now let's bronze up the face. I don't like cream contouring my nose. Every time I do it, I feel like I have overdone it and the bridge of my nose looks like a highlighted stick in mud. I think that's enough to explain, so I go for powder contour. Now for blush, taking the M.A.C Big Blusher and applying it on my cheeks. And now for highlighter, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild MegaGlo in Precious Petal. And I love the glow that it gives. It looks kind of natural and beautiful on your skin. And now highlighting the inner corners, brow bone, nose, chin, cupid's bow, and yeah, hopefully that's it. Now taking the same eyeliner, I'm going to create 3 little dots on my chin. Now for lips, first I'm going to line my lips because the lipstick I'm going to use looks perfect with a lip liner. And then I will be applying a lipstick. And ultimately, let's apply the Maybelline Matte Ink lipstick in the shade Heroine. It's a perfect combination of pink, orange, peach, and I love it with this look. And this is how the makeup looks in natural light. I thought why not show you guys that this look is perfect even for daytime. And this is my outfit. Link will be in the description if it's in stock. It was comfortable. It was perfect to like wear it and dance around. So that's it for the video, guys. That was the completed look. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video.